How to make a peanut butter sandwich. Oftentimes we are in a place when we need to provide feedback that is less than what our audience desires. This indeed can create a challenging and uncomfortable situation. Consider baking a peanut butter sandwich to convey what needs to be said. First, start with bread being the best compliment you can muster. This establishes credibility. Next, spread the peanut butter by saying, "This is an opportunity." Call out 3 that you see. For improvement, a challenge is then made for them to choose one of the 3 to take on as the opportunity for them. Don't be afraid, add an incentive instead. Last but not least, end with another slice of bread. Enough said. End with another compliment instead. My name is Lucius Jones. I am your life coach. Get your life back on track at lifecoaching.com.